We're off to the event.
Why are you whispering?
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I'm not whispering. Yeah, you did.
We're off to the
event. We're off to the event. Much better. I'll use that. Welcome back to another episode of Nick
and Matt.
Good morning, health nuts. Today I thought I would vlog because I am doing this fun event tonight for George Brown College, which I used to go to school there, and I'm doing I'm gonna be on a panel with 2 other entrepreneurs and basically just talking about growing your digital brand. So it's been a good day so far. Matt and I already had a call this morning for some work stuff, and I'm actually just about to set up a little photo shoot. Yes, we still have our tree. I know. It doesn't have ornaments on it, but I think we're finally taking it down. I kept calling it like an ambiance tree, and I was like, I don't want to take it down. I love it. Yeah, so Matt just went to go get his hair cut, and I'm gonna do this photo shoot, which I'll show you guys some behind the scenes for. It's for a branded video / blog post with CAFLib. They're a herbal coffee company that I absolutely love. You guys see me drink them all the time, and I am doing a sponsored video with them, which is so cool to be sponsored by a herbal coffee company. Because you guys know I've been like representing the herbal coffee for years, and everyone's like, what is that? We'll put you guys down over here. You guys can hang out here next to this photo here of Ella Orrin and Santa Claus. Why are there Christmas things still in my house? I don't know. There's even Arnold. Arnold's there too. I think one of you guys named him. Okay, so we'll put you there. I'm gonna get my props and we will do a photo shoot. It's gonna be a very simple one, but I figured you guys can watch. So this is usually my setup. I have my window here, so I just have a couple of these wooden boards I stained a long time ago, and then these are just like white, I don't even know what they're called, like Bristol boards. They're a bit thicker. They're like super cheap at Michael's or the dollar store, so just kind of helps bounce the light. And then I'm just boiling water to make the actual herbal coffee, and I'm gonna have to make some food that's gonna be the background for the coffee. All right, so Matt just got back. He did a little grocery shopping, got his hair cut. Look at this nice do.
Connor stabs are good.
I don't know, making me look bad. Anyways, I thought I would vlog because we're just having a little lunch break. I made these epic BLTs.
They're good.
Look how good. I don't know if it's focusing. So good. And yes, I eat bacon. So good. This is one we got from Trader Joe's. So good.
It's good bacon.
Right?
So good.
So good. So good. So good. I want you.
Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow.
It's gonna get copyrighted now.
Yep.
I think Chloe's on her way. She's at school till 3. I did not get to do the photo shoot yet because I needed avocado and toast, so Matt went and picked that up. So we're eating, and then we're gonna do the shoot, and then I'm gonna prep for my talk tonight, and hopefully it goes all well. Goes all well? What?
Goes good? Yeah.
I can't talk. How am I supposed to talk tonight for an hour?
Well, you can talk for an hour, I'm sure.
You have faith in me? Oh, and then we're going
And
for
your ability
ramen.
to talk? Yeah.
And then we're going for ramen. So, that's the plan. All right, so we're just doing a little photo shoot. I have Mr. Matt helping out today. Yeah, so I just did a little avocado toast. That's my herbal coffee blend. That's the brand I'm working with, and I'm just gonna get some extra shots, and I think we got it. All right, I'll show you some of the shots I got. Oop, that's from an old video. I'm just talking to the camera. All right, so these are the different shots that I got. A lot of the same shots. That's half the fun, is scrolling through them. So I just kept these like super simple because it's mostly about the coffee. All right, so Matt just jumped on a work call. I'm just about ready. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. I've honestly worn this outfit like 3 times this week. But I really like it. These pants I got from Zara, And this shirt is actually from Walmart. I know. Yes, like I found a cut on my finger. I don't even know how I did it. It's stinging. So I'm wearing this, and then I'm wearing these shoes. These are my favorite shoes. I mentioned them in my 2017 favorites video. And I just left my hair, oops, I just left my hair straight. And I did a little bit of wing eyeliner, which I never do because I always am scared that I'm gonna mess up. And then I'm gonna put some lipstick on, and that is my outfit because I want to be super comfortable when I'm up there talking. And these pants like are really comfy when I sit. They're basically like dressy pajama pants, which are always a good go-to. So, oh man, Matt's yawning, Chloe's yawning. Come on, guys. Let's head downstairs. I should probably bring my keys. Thank you.
By you.
For Anna.
Moment. Okay.
Yeah. We're off to the event.
Why are you whispering?
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I'm not whispering. Yeah, you did.
We're off to the
We're off to the event.
Much
better. I'll use that. These brats, the real Health Nut fam here.
I'm
gonna put avocado heads on you. Stuck in the middle.
Stuck in.
Here, look at the camera, because I'm gonna put avocado heads. Chloe.
Well, we could fill up refills.
Cheers.
Cheers. An hour to kill.
Oh yeah.
Can I be on it?
Yeah, you guys can all be on the vlog. Okay, introduce yourselves.
Okay. Now?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, I'm Trisha Grace. I'm with the Alumni Relations Office at George Brown College, and we have this amazing event happening tonight.
Yay, best college.
Hey, it's Anna Haychak as well from Alumni George Brown College.
Hi, I'm Elena Schlar from Alumni Relations at George Brown College. Super fan!
We are super
I'm a
fans.
follower too. I'm a follower too.
You guys maybe are the ones that helped me hit over 300,000, right? You guys were the last few.
Yeah.
I was 300,000.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So now you guys will see yourselves on the vlog.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We're so
And I'm
excited.
gonna introduce, so we just did our like sound check. And this is Eileen. Eileen, do you mind if I'm vlogging today?
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you
And
guys.
Eileen, you have a activewear
yeah.
clothing line, right? And it's at, how do you say it again?
Oh, it's a Titika Activewear.
I will link it down below. We just saw like this video clip from it. It looks amazing.
Oh,
So
thank
I'm gonna have to, I actually need new workout wear, so I'm gonna have to come
definitely
check you
check
out.
that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come do some shopping.
Oh, please. Yeah.
Yeah. So
We do have some really cute stuff.
yeah, it looks really cute. So we're actually, Natasha, who I'm gonna show you guys in a sec, is gonna be interviewing us on the panel. So.
Okay. Okay, cool.
And this is Natasha.
Hi.
And you wanna say where you're from?
Oh, I'm from Shopify. I'm an experiential marketer. I bring the brand online to offline.
And Natasha's gonna be the host, so she's gonna be asking me and Eileen some businessy questions.
Yes, all about your digital brand and mentorship and what makes your brand successful.
So much insights, I'm telling you. hopefully some, you know. Never
You
know.
will, you'll be great.
Yeah. Oh, and how do you say my last name? It's okay, everyone messes it.
Gonsalves.
There you go. you'll be fine.
Gonsalves. I can do it.
Yeah, you're gonna forget my first name, but you'll get the last name. Miss
Now
Gonsalves.
there's Gonsalves here.
Yeah, there you go. So this is our little green room.
Yes.
And oh, funny enough, we're actually gonna go for ramen after this. Have you had ramen before?
Always.
It's so good.
Always
Have you
eat
been
ramen.
to? Do you?
Yes, my husband's Japanese.
Oh.
He constantly eat ramen. He makes it himself. It's great.
Have you?
Like that.
No, I
So just eyeline right up here would be great.
social engagement.
And 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna do one more for safety, a little bit wider, but you're perfect right where you are. Hands just like that, straight. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Within your day today.
I would say just the community I've built online, or I feel like, you know, we've built. You know, every day I get numerous DMs, comments, emails, and messages on how my channel, my recipes have changed people's lives. Alright guys, so finished the event. The camera died, so I couldn't do a little outro, but it went really, really well. It was so great to meet Eileen and Natasha and the whole alumni team at George Brown. So thank you so much for having me. You guys are so awesome. And now we're at our favorite place. What is it? I keep thinking there's a person there. It's just coats. We are at Ryoji and Closter. So yeah, we're gonna get some ramen. I'm starving.
Yes, but as a part of the Yeah, you always get another pair, so and then you upgrade your prescription. Oh, I don't know you my prescription.
It's like my happy place right now.
Like my left eye.
So good. I get the noodles.
Oh really? Oh wait, yeah, no, because it makes sense. The lenses and thing were about 350 bucks. I thought we like paid 50 bucks. Oh, it could be option 1 too. Yeah, she's on. No,
Good.
eyewear doesn't change.
Alright, so we just got home after some delicious ramen that I had to film on Matt's phone because the battery died. I think I mentioned that right? Camera died, so I couldn't do a little outro.
Yep.
He's opening some mail that we picked up. I'll show you
I
this
saw it. I
random.
thought the coloring looks nice.
Yeah, the coloring's cute. Let me show them. Oh, a drain plug.
That's
I actually need- is
You
this-
put that in like the sink when
kitchen?
you're like rinsing veg and stuff, and then that way
That's
the water's
cute.
still-
Very health nutty. I like the color. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, the event was amazing. It was so much fun. Honestly, everyone that was part of the like George Brown team were so friendly at AMAT. Like they were just like, we kept talking about how nice they were. And sorry, he's looking at mail. But yeah, I think, oh no wait, I know they live streamed the event, so if you didn't get to watch it, I will find the link to the live stream that they did and link it down below so you guys can check it out if you want to learn how to grow your digital brand and all the wise knowledge that I had to say. So they ended up live streaming the event on George Brown's Facebook page, so I will find the link and I'll link it down below if you guys want to watch it and learn about growing your digital brand. You guys can check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna wash off my makeup, put some pajamas on, and just cuddle up. Are we gonna watch a movie, Matt?
Something.
Something, I don't know. I wanna watch something and just cuddle on that couch right there, because that's what L couches are for. Question of the day. What's the question of the day, Matt? How about if you could have your own business, what would it be? Or if you have your own business, what is it? Leave me a comment down below, and yeah, I'd like to know. You know, even if you like love your corporate job, what would you do? Would you sell jewelry? Would you make pottery? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in next week's vlog. Sorry for all the paper ripping noises in the back. Matt's getting rid of
Checking mail, man.
checking the junk mail. Casey, bye, Matt.
Bye.
Thanks for supporting me today.
You're welcome.
How did I do?
Good. pushing me. Just lean on me. Come on.
I lean on you for support, Matt.
Come on now.
I lean on you for support.
Come on now.
All right. Bye, guys.